Right, in this section we're going to be setting up our project. This project is going to be used for pretty much all of the sections throughout this course, so please do keep it, don't delete it, because we will be referencing stuff later on to add more features to something we've already created, things like that are a bit more advanced than the stuff in the beginning. So yeah, this is going to be stuff like what engine version are we using, what template, folder structure, things like that. Obviously it's entirely up to you what you use, but ideally it'd be great if you could create something similar to what I'm using so that we're all working off the same sheet. So yeah, here we go. So for this course I'm going to be using Unreal 420, so if we press launch, I'm sure you're all familiar with this by now, but I want to make sure we're all on the same project and all working on the same folder layout and things like that. And that'll bring up our new window. Click new project. We want a third person. We want to give it a name, so I'm going to give mine learning. So create the project and just wait for that to do what it's got to do. Only reason I'm using 420 is because this is what I originally created the concepts for some of these tutorials in, and I know they work okay. So got our project loaded. What we want to do is create a new folder. So go back to content, right click, create a new folder, and we'll name that learning. I'm just going to make these icons a bit smaller. There we go. Double click on that, create another folder called maps, and then we want to go to file, new level, default, and then Control S to save. So we want to go to learning, maps. I'm going to name my map example 1, up to you what you name it. There we go, that's the first part done.